Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna go to the Tesla event here in Long Beach, California. It's gonna be my first time to attend the Tesla only event or car meet. I've been so many car meets, car and coffees, car show, car events. This is the first time that it's Tesla only car event. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be first time exchange experience with another Tesla owners, not only one, many Tesla owners. Hopefully it's gonna be really fun events. I'm gonna share the whole experience with you today. Let's go. Car parkings. Here it is. So not only Tesla, you see modern Tesla EV here, Polestar right in front of me, and there's one more Polestar over there. This would be fun. I just parked my car. A lot of awesome Teslas down here and so many EV related booths. So we're gonna check out those booths. So this show actually hosted by Tesla Club SoCal over there, and also T-Parts. If you know T-Parts, I got a lot of really cool accessories for my car from T-Parts. Okay, let's go check it out. Okay, I'm here at T-Parts booth. If you remember, I got a lot of T-Parts accessories on my car, and
hi guys,
Chris right here.
Yeah, we're T-Parts.
So, what new products you have right here at the show?
So we got a lot of new carbon fiber things. For example, this one, the carbon fiber dashboard. This is the new arrival. It's like the whole replacement of the dashboard.
So you take the old one out.
Yeah,
and
the
replace
one
this
you
whole
can see
thing
the back of the product. It's like the raw carbon fiber for the whole pieces. It's not a cover or just
really
wrap.
nice.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really cool. Really cool.
Yeah. Now we have like the freshener, the back seat holder, the cup holder, phone holder. A lot of things for.
Yeah, I love that controller.
Yeah, the controller. This is actually the newer version of yours. This is a newer version.
New here.
Yeah, we got it like a month ago.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Thank you for providing awesome products.
Yeah, no problem.
See ya.
So, what actually is Tesla Club SoCal? What's your guys?
We are a Tesla owners meetup group. So we're an independent club, and we're one of the biggest in the world. We have over 1,600 members worldwide. And we put on events, driving events, toy drive events, charity events, events like this. This is our 4th anniversary. This is the 4th year we've been doing this stuff. So we're gonna have over probably 100 Teslas here, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Yeah, so we do some events all over Southern California. If you follow fthepump.com, you can follow TeslaClubSoCal.com. On social media, it's Tesla Club SoCal or F the Pump, as well as zero runs for some of our driving events. So zero emission runs.
So how often you guys have
we try
event like this?
We try to do stuff once a month, but sometimes it's twice a month, 3 times a month, sometimes every other month. But I usually try to do something once a month.
That's cool. Yeah, this is my first time. It's really cool.
Glad you're here. Thanks for coming.
Glad to be here.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much. They even have a mobile arcade here, so you can get in and play some games. I got here a little early, so people still keep coming in. Ouch. Man, that hurts. Okay, that is a cool wheels. I like that roadie form on the Tesla. Look at the fitment on that wheels. Okay, we're gonna go check out that car later. Wow. These really cool events. It's actually bigger than I thought it would be. I'll take you guys to some of the stand-up booth in here and check out some of the cool merchandise that they are displaying, and also, of course, awesome cool modified Tesla in this Tesla event. Look at that wrap. I love this one with the special rims. You can see, man, that wrap is pretty, really beautiful. Okay, we'll come back to this car. We'll check out another car first. Man, that is bright yellow. Awesome, awesome. Ah, look at this one. Actually, there's only a few. It's not the only one with a Y body kit on it. That is pretty sick. I love that color. It's like a blue pearl. That is wild. Another one's heck of a standout Tesla right here. Look at that Lambo style door. Really sick. Okay, I think every Tesla that's supposed to be here, they are all here. Check it out. That is a lot of Teslas in one parking lot. It's really cool.
Let's go. Yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back.
Okay, this is really cool booth. So what you guys provide here at the booth?
Alright, so we're Gaphix and we do custom seatbelts and harnesses. So we can do anything from basic colors to custom designs here.
So you can put any kind of graphic on it?
Pretty much, yeah. If you can imagine it, we can color match it, we can put fonts on there, all sorts of different ideas that we can do for it. So basically you give us your seatbelts, we'll switch them out, certify them, get them back to you.
Alright, so you can just take out the seatbelt from the car?
Yeah.
Alright, that's really cool. So graphicdesignhouse.com?
Gaphix, yep.
That's cool, thank you.
Your thing.
Yeah, if you're interested in customizing your own seatbelt for your car, just check this one out. It's pretty cool.
But
wow,
I wanted to give it like the flowing look.
Really cool graphic on a Model 3 here. So he actually did the decals himself. It's actually a decal on the car, not the whole wrap. It's really cool. Yeah, that is definitely something different. And check his car out. His Instagram right here. It's pretty cool though. So you actually designed this yourself?
I had
The artwork?
It came from a company.
Oh, okay.
The company is called Spinny Whoosh.
Okay.
And they sell a bunch of like Japanese themed stuff.
So you just print it out on the decals?
Printed it out and then slapped it on basically.
That is cool. Really cool, man. I love the idea. Really unique. You can see there's a lot of people down here with a whole bunch of Teslas. Thank God my car has a little bit different front splitter. I have not seen this one yet in the whole event, so at least easier for me to find my own car. Let's go check out the rest of the cars here. That's crazy. Okay, so these two cars are actually the same wraps. This car is originally black with that wrap on it. This is how it turns out. It's like a purple bluish, but this car's white with the same wrap on it. I'm not sure I can see in the camera. So it's basically just white with like glitter and metallic on it. That's crazy. That's crazy wrap. So,
hey,
what's all about Voltron?
Hey, I'm with Voltron Charging. We are an electric car charging network where you can charge where you go. So all of our charging is sponsored by the media screens, the advertisements from different companies, and you can charge typically at Whole Foods, Amazon Fresh, Westfields, yeah. So charge while you shop, and you come out and you have like a 30% charge, you can go somewhere else.
And it's free, right?
All free, all sponsored, yep.
And we can use the adapter that came with the car.
Yeah, for Tesla you can use the
Tesla.
adapter for the L2.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'll check it out. So what's a big turnout today at Tesla Club SoCal. Wow, there's a lot of cool Tesla down here. Again, thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video, please click like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.
Anthony!
Rev it! Rev it!
Come on, pump it up!